The island of Heimaey in Iceland has been evacuated after a volcanic eruption began on the island of Eldey. The eruption is the first since 1997, and it occurred in a part of Eldey that hasn't been active for about 4,000 years. The eruption was caught on camera, as thick black smoke billowed into the sky, and the volcano rumbling could be heard from nearby islands. It's worth noting that this doesn't mean an earthquake is coming or any other islands are at risk. The authorities are currently assessing the situation and may allow residents to return home once it's safe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more exciting news updates. Until next time, stay safe and take care.